What is going on, everyone? We are back at Epcot for another Moonlight Magic.
We are! This is our second Moonlight Magic
At Epcot.
at Epcot.
Yes.
Different year though.
It's a different year, and there's a few different things
That is
here
a little different.
at this one than there was at the one we did in like December or November.
Yeah, it was in December.
Whatever it was. I don't think it's a big deal, but there's no longer like smorgasbord of unlimited food,
Yeah.
like hot dogs and things like that. It's now you get a meal voucher. And the meal voucher is good at the bakery in Norway, Liberty Inn at the American Adventure, Yorkshire County Fish Shop in United Kingdom. I'm definitely probably going to end up going there. And then you also have Sunshine Seasons.
Sunshine Seasons.
Sunshine Seasons. And the Electric Umbrella, which is really interesting. But you get an entree, you get a side, and you get a non-alcoholic fountain beverage, which is really nice, I think. Some new characters that we're looking forward to. I think I really want to meet Star-Lord and Gamora. They're in Future World East, I believe. So we'll see how the rest of the night goes. We have some friends that are still coming. They're not here yet. Let the fun begin.
So the event actually doesn't even start until 9:30, and it's only not even 8 o'clock yet. So we're just gonna walk around here in mouse gears, and I actually know there's somebody in here right now. So we're gonna go find them.
Hi.
Hi.
So I've got to say that inevitably what happens whenever Taylor and Veronica get together, not necessarily bad things happen, but they both had to have these ears, and so they bought them. And so now we're gonna go outside and apparently do another photo shoot like we did. So the first ride that we are doing tonight is Journey into Figment's Imagination, right? I never ever ride this ride. Only on like very rare occasions like this. I don't know, we just don't.
I love this ride.
The only time we come over to this side is just to ride, or just to do
Soarin'?
the DVC Lounge. I mean, we come over to Soarin', but like, coming this way, it's just for like the DVC Lounge. I mean, it's a good ride, don't get me wrong.
This is a good ride. About Figment? This is not a good ride.
Figment's like the worst ride ever.
This is not a good ride.
Figment's a great ride.
Figment's the worst ride ever.
How? How could you say that?
Figment.
So we have been stopped here for like 2 or 3 minutes now. This might be the worst ride to get stuck on. We just battered these carts in front of us, and oh, there they go. Now we're freely moving, I think.
Dr. Jack here. Bit of a delay, terribly sorry. Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Thank you. And please continue to remain seated.
We crashed
Please.
on a ride. That's my biggest fear, is crashing into another car on a ride.
we
We
are
just did.
stuck.
I have whiplash.
I have severe whiplash. So we're stuck on Figment right now, and all the lights are on. I wouldn't mind like getting out and like being able to walk through the rest of the track with the lights on. That'd be cool.
It's like so pumped. He's already out the cart. It's like I'm walking this.
We are slowly moving backwards.
Wait.
We are getting it.
So which way are we going?
Can you take a picture of me and Taylor standing? Take a picture of me and Taylor standing right here with all this above our head.
So I don't think these cast members really know what's going on. This lady up here needs a wheelchair.
Everyone, please follow me. Watch your step.
I am.
Attention ladies and gentlemen, your tour has been completed.
We are leaving.
This is funner than the ride.
Check this out. You get to see Figment.
There's a hidden Mickey right there.
There is?
Figment in the kitchen.
Escorted out. Oh, there's a little kitchen.
Are we going down this pool tunnel?
Yeah.
Except it's not lit up. Right this way to the Imagination Institute. Imagination. A dream can be a dream come true. With just one spark from me and you.
Attention, ladies and gentlemen, your tour has been temporarily delayed. Please remain seated until our cast member come to assist. Thank you.
Holy cow. That was pretty interesting. Very unfortunate that we were literally on that for like almost an hour.
God, I waited my whole life.
Like half hour.
That long?
It was pretty long.
I told you it was a great idea to go to Figment.
So we got a free fast pass. Not that we can use it because everything's going to be closing.
Look. Nothing can beat that. Hello.
I
Nothing
really
about
just want
Moonlight Magic is better than what just happened.
It was really cool though. We got to see everything with the lights on.
That was cool.
I thought that was
I really
awesome.
despise Figment though right now.
Other rides?
No, you know, when we got off the ride, I was gonna give it like a good review and be like, "Oh, I actually like Figment because I like to sing. I like to sing the songs and blah blah blah." And then we got stopped, and then
now she
everything
loves it.
changed. No.
All right, so the rest of the clan is actually going to go ride the land, and Nate and myself, we're actually going to see where Star-Lord and Gamora are going to be at for the meet and greet tonight, and see if we can maybe hang out by there, or if there's a line that's already started, get into the line, because we're thinking that it's probably going to be pretty long tonight. Might be the most popular meet and greet.
Or Kim Possible.
Or Kim Possible, and Ron Unstoppable.
Ron Stoppable.
Ron Stoppable?
I think that's it, yeah.
All right, so we are here. This is where Star-Lord and Gamora are going to be at, I'm assuming, by the backdrop and the props. They already have a line going, so we're going to jump in this line, which you probably can't see because it is super dark. There's almost no light over here. So this is one of the things that are different than last time. They don't just have hot dogs and chicken fingers. Hopefully it's like a full menu. We've got the pulled pork burger, we've got the brisket sandwich, there's a flatbread, a salad. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I've never actually eaten here before. This is my first time eating at the Electro Bar. All right, so we've got a table. We're all squishing into this table right here.
I want to be on the TV too.
Hey, Veronica.
Yo, Josh.
Jenna. Oh, there's Caleb and Anjo.
Oh, you got that.
And me.
No. Is that what I gotta do?
That's it.
Hey, you all have a good night.
Hey, thank you. Nice to say hi. One really nice thing about this is that you can get any type of drink that includes slushies or fountain beverages or bottled water. So we got slushies. All right, so we just finished eating, and we are now going to go to this little dance party that's over here. And Taylor's going to do some dancing. So what are we doing now, Taylor?
We're getting on Soarin'. It says it's a 15-minute wait.
Good to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
See ya.
Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah, absolutely, guys. We'll see you.
Yes.
See you, man.
See you guys.
Can't wait to see you.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Jenna and Caleb checking out a little early. We have about an hour left. We're going to see if Nate and Veronica are in here. I think this was where they're supposed to be charging their camera.
Don't you run
Nate!
on the other side.
Veronica! All right, so we are going to try to find a spot here to sit and watch the fireworks. It's actually pretty busy over here as far as like seating arrangements for fireworks. But I think we're going to find something, and then afterwards we're going to try and ride Frozen Ever After. And that might probably do it for us tonight, which is kind of surprising. I think this night's gone by really, really quickly. Not that busy overall, but just not a lot of places just to kind of camp out right next to the rail and watch the fireworks. Alright, so we are getting ready to get on to Frozen Ever After we just finished watching the fireworks.
Everybody sprinted here.
Everybody.
You should have seen the herd.
Everybody. But hopefully it's not going to be that long of a wait.
Do you want to build a snowman?
So, currently sitting in the worst spot possible.
Oh, this is the best ride. I love it.
We just got done riding Frozen Ever After, and I must say,
For the first time in forever.
I didn't actually get wet sitting in the front because I basically
Veronica got it all.
jumped into Taylor's lap.
Basically.
Yeah, we ain't no soggy back boys.
That's right.
I'm a soggy bottom girl.
I'm all dry. Well, I really wanted a strawberry popsicle, and all they had were these. We're also online for Test Track.
Oh, you're trying to other soggy bottom.
I got 3.
I don't want one.
You know what I mean? I got one for you.
No, I can't eat it.
Alright.
What are they?
Alright, so what's going on here?
So this is now a competition.
We are going to win it. We are car versus car.
My car is gonna win.
Her car is going to be.
Me and Josh are just gonna film this and document it. You guys can create your cars and, you know,
Yeah.
go
And
that
they'll
way.
lose.
And Taylor's done with a minute left.
Look at that beast.
Taylor's design. Dark Knight, baby.
Pretty pink princess is going down.
Ladies and gentlemen, tap your band.
There's the Dark Knight. Slingshot, engage!
Alright, so the ride is over. We are heading down to
Taylor won, I know it.
We're heading down to check the final results to see who actually won. So remember, this isn't about the individual races, this is the overall score. Alright, here we go. 228, 208! Oh!
Shut it off! I don't even want to talk about it!
Well, that's going to do it for us tonight, everybody. Another good DVC Moonlight Magic event, I think.
We always have a good time at Moonlight Magic.
Yeah, we got to meet Star-Lord and Gamora. I can't even focus right now. A few things that were different, you know, the food was fine. I think, I didn't mind that. If they did that for the rest of the events, it would be okay, I think.
We wouldn't have to like eat an actual meal before we come here.
And we got free water before we left.
We did get free water.
I don't know when the next one is, but I'm sure we will try to be there.
We're going to the one in Hollywood Studios.
Oh my gosh, wait, don't shut that off.
What on
These
earth?
are the new cup ears.
There is literally water dripping out of this cup over here.
No, these are the new ears.